Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Moto G22 and I'm going to show you what to do if the fast charging is not working. At first, you need to make sure that you've got correct version of your phone. If you're trying to charge your phone using 20 watts, you won't do it on the global version because global versions are limited to 15 watts. In India, however, it is limited to 20 watts, so depending on the version, the charging speeds are different. How to check what version you have? You need to just remember where you've bought it. If you bought it used, there may be a problem, but settings, open here settings and scroll down to the about phone. Here you need to find model. As you can see, here I've got model and hardware, and you need to find model number, this SKU. Model XT22314 is the Indian variant. The global version is 2. So it's a global version. Probably because Indian variants will typically end with 4, but you are not. I'm not actually that sure. But as far as I remember, this version is sold in the global and European version, so it's the global version. So if it doesn't work here, no. If it doesn't work here, the fast charging, it doesn't work because 15 watts is still fast charging considered. So it's considered as fast charging. So you need to at first make sure that your charger and the cable are compatible with the fast charging. So what that means is that you need to check if your charger is this 15 watts. How to check that? Just take your power brick and find the info on it. Here I've got one from Huawei, for example. Here I've got max 48 watts, I think. I can't see because I've got 40, it's just 40 watts. So, you need to check it on your charger, power brick, I mean, power adapter, and if it is not, you need to buy a new one. The same is with the cable. You need to check this the information about this cable on the website, or just try using a different one. If it doesn't work still, there is only one thing we can do, and you need to just try to clean the charging port. You need to use the flashlight, flash with it inside, and check if you see any dust. If you see, or debris. If you see, you need to clean it with non-metallic tools. So that should be it. That's it. Goodbye.